Welcome back to another beauty video. Today, I will be giving you inspiration on makeup storage and ways that you can store all of your beauty products. My mother-in-law gave me this case in the background right here. I have been in love with it, so I decided to dedicate an entire video revolving around these makeup cases. If you are wanting to see my entire makeup collection and storage ideas that I have in that video, I will link that video in the description box as well as linked above for you. But today's video will be focused on ways that you can store your makeup in these glamorous makeup cases. If you are new here and you enjoy watching makeup, fashion, and lifestyle videos, I upload every Monday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy watching that type of content and you would like to see more. I use my rose gold case in the background here for when I travel. I also use it for background. Obviously. I love the aesthetic that it brings to my backdrop. I have some type of obsession with rose gold and copper. It's just, those are just my colors. But for this larger professional looking makeup case, I love using this to store my makeup. This case is for all of us who are makeup crazies and have a lot of makeup in our life. These cases can be used for other things. It doesn't have to be just for makeup. You can use these to store your nail polishes. Maybe if you enjoy crafts. Those of you who are into sewing. I have essential oils that I store in these as well. You could also use it for jewelry storage, camera equipment, even hair accessories. Even if you love fishing, you could use this as your fishing tackle box stuff. This larger makeup case contains 6 trays that fold out, and I really like it because you can slide the dividers into different sections and make it more customizable and fit to your needs. I just have all different sizes of makeup, so it just makes it easier for me to adjust it to the different shapes and sizes of makeup products that I own. And it just makes it easier and better for me to store them. The bottom space in this makeup case also has compartments so that you have more choices to hold all your cosmetics and accessories and whatever you decide to store in here. This also does include a shoulder strap, so for those of you who like to carry your makeup cases around, maybe if you're a professional makeup artist or you're spending the night at somebody's house, it does come with a nice sturdy shoulder adjustable strap. This makeup case is nice and sturdy to put in the back of your car, which is where mine tends to go. It goes on the floor in the back of my car, right behind my seat, and it just, all my makeup is secure and sturdy, and I don't feel like any of it is going to be knocked around in the box or anything. So it's a very, very sturdy makeup case, which I am very, very thankful for because I'm not exactly a very gentle driver. This also comes with a really nice sturdy handle, so I don't feel like I'm going to pull the handle off or I feel like it's gonna fall apart on me. So I love that you can have all of your makeup and accessories stored and organized, and you can carry them around with you wherever you go. I feel like a professional makeup artist when I carry this around, so I will be using this whenever I do a family or friend's makeup for a wedding or, I don't know, event. I am always trying to do my family's makeup, so I'm gonna take this with me and pretend like I'm a makeup artist and go do all my family's and friends' makeup. Watch out, family and friends. I am coming your way. I keep my case in my beauty room in here. You could put this in your bathroom. You could put it on your vanity top. You could put it in your closet. Of course, I got the little one too, so I have the larger makeup case for all of my makeup storage and then this little guy for my skincare. I love the white star design on both of these makeup cases. There is a black star version of this case as well if you prefer darker colors. I think it probably does look a little bit more professional that way, but I love the magical white unicorny stars. The company has so many cute designs, but this star design and this rose gold makeup case are my absolute faves. If you are a makeup artist looking for a budget case that is simple and professional and durable, they have some beautiful, simple black and silver cases on their website that look so professional. It would be nice if they came with wheels. I just really love the simple design and how secure and portable this is. This makeup case is sturdy for travel, but trendy and simple at the same time. These cases are a really great way for you to store your high-end and expensive luxury makeup items because it does come with a lock and key. How cool is that? These are a really great gift idea if you have some teenagers in your home, or maybe like a makeup lover or young adult who loves makeup. I have found both of these makeup cases to be very practical for me since makeup is my hobby and I love doing other people's makeup. Now that I have described this large professional makeup case, I wanted to share with you guys this smaller, probably more practical makeup case. I personally use this to store all of my skincare and essential oils. It is sturdy and it is easier to carry around. It has the same type of handle on the bigger case, and both of them I just feel very confident carrying around because they're very sturdy and they can handle weight. This case is probably more practical for those of you who have more everyday makeup and just like to use it in case you want to travel somewhere. They're just nice and compact and just probably a bit easier to travel with. This box does have a mirror. It makes it the perfect case to travel with, especially since it's a lot smaller and more compact. I think a lot of you would really like this if you aren't a makeup collecting crazy like me. So the mirror folds down like this and you can still have storage items in here. Like you could totally fit a nice sized palette in here. Even though this is a lot smaller than the larger makeup case, this still comes with a lot of storage. So you could put like maybe your travel sized shampoos and body washes in here, and even more makeup palettes down here. So if you have any larger foundations or something. So I really like how this is more compact, but it still has that spacious room to store all of your makeup goodies and products. Cheers to a Wawa hot chocolate with mint in it. The best ever. Cheers. I also did want to say that this can be nice and sturdy and safe as well because it comes with its own lock and key too. You get the safety, you get the durability, the space in both of these makeup cases. The one that you prefer is probably just going to depend on how you would use it. So I feel like I kind of am leaving out my rose gold case over here. I am in love with it. I think the rose gold copper is still my absolute favorite, but I love the white star design too. I think it's probably just going to depend on my mood on which one I end up using the most, but so next time I go to my friend Hannah's house, I'll probably be bringing this very compact little storage case. And if I end up doing like a friend's makeup for a wedding or a family member's makeup, I'll use either my larger, forgot to clip that. Also, it has nice little clips on the top. So if I end up doing like a friend's makeup for a wedding or an event, I'll use either this makeup case or the one that I have in my background, depending on how I feel. I will have more information on these makeup cases in the description box below for you. So I will have direct links to each and every one of the makeup cases that I mentioned. I just really wanted to get a video up sharing with you guys my experience with these makeup cases. I have just been in love with them and I've been using them for so many different purposes, even other than makeup. There's just so many ways that you could use these makeup cases other than makeup storage. I even sometimes use this to store my camera equipment if I'm going out for a photo shoot or something. So there's just so many ways that you can use these cases, and it's a really great gift idea too. I wanted to show you how I use them and how I store all my makeup products in them. I hope you enjoyed all the little aesthetic angles and little photo shoots that I inserted into this video, and I just want to give you guys some inspiration and some ways that you can find to get your life organized with some really cute items and cases. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed my makeup storage inspiration on how you can store your makeup in these cases. Thanks to my mother-in-law for inspiring this video because of this makeup case right here. Don't forget to check in the description box with all the information that I will have in there for you. Thank you for sticking around and watching, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye!